Hey everyone, in this video I will cover the basics of computer organization and architecture. What is computer architecture and organization? Computer architecture means design and functional behavior of a computer system, and computer organization means internal structure and hardware implementation of a computer system. Basically, architecture means what the computer does, and organization means how computer component implement the architecture. So architecture is the function of a computer and organization is the structure of a computer. So what are the function of a computer? Basically, function of a computer is data storage, data processing, data movement and data control. Functional view of a computer. Operating environment. From operating environment, data is moving through the data movement apparatus, and from data movement apparatus, controller controls the data processing and the data storage. So the functional view of the computer shows the main function of the computer, that are data processing, data storage, data movement and data control. Now we will see the structural view of the computer. In computer there are four parts: input, output, main memory, CPU, and these three are connected through system bus. And inside CPU there are four parts: register, ALU and control unit. Register, ALU and control unit are connected via internal bus. And inside the control unit there are three parts: sequencing logic, control unit, register and decoder, and control memory. Now we will study what are the meaning of this each term. Is CPU. CPU is central processing unit that controls the operation of a computer and performs its data processing function. It is simply referred as the processor. What is main memory? Main memory stores the data. Now what is input output? Input output helps to move the data between computer and its external environment. What is system bus? System bus is some mechanism that provide the communication among the CPU, main memory and the input output peripherals. We will go inside the CPU. In CPU there is control unit. So what is control unit? Control unit basically controls the operation of CPU and the computer. Now what is ALU? ALU is arithmetic logical unit that performs the computer data processing function. What is register? Register provides the storage internal to the CPU, and these three are connected through internal bus. In the next video we will learn the classification of computer architecture, and that's all for today's video. I hope this will help you to understand the basics of computer architecture and organization. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.